In this video, we'll dive into how to track and report sales activity in Salesflare, a CRM designed to help you streamline your sales process and increase productivity. By the end, you'll know exactly how to monitor your sales activities, generate insightful reports, and leverage Salesflare's powerful features to boost your team's efficiency. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share how you can use Salesflare completely free with our exclusive bonuses. To get started, Salesflare automatically tracks your sales activities, so you don't have to manually update your CRM every time you make a call or send an email. It's designed for busy sales teams who want to focus more on closing deals rather than managing data. All the activity from your emails, calls, and meetings is tracked automatically through Salesflare's deep integration with your email, calendar, and phone systems. Now, let's break down how you can easily report sales activity. First, the dashboard is your main overview. This is where you get a snapshot of your sales pipeline and performance at a glance. Salesflare pulls in all your activity, making it easy to see which deals are progressing and which may need attention. This is where tracking and reporting begins to shine. Without extra effort, you can see your daily sales activities, interactions, and how many deals have moved through each stage of your pipeline. For more detailed reports, Salesflare offers custom reporting tools. These allow you to filter activity by date, deal stage, or even by specific team members. Let's say you want to track how many calls you made over the past week or which deals are taking longer than expected to close. Salesflare's reporting makes that possible with just a few clicks. You can also generate reports for individual salespeople to see their performance metrics in real time. This can help you understand where to provide support or even celebrate your top performers. Additionally, the Activity Feed feature in Salesflare allows you to view all sales activities in chronological order. This is a great way to quickly assess the day-to-day interactions and keep track of follow-ups. From here, you can see emails opened, calls made, and notes added, all in one place. It's as simple as logging into the system and reviewing the feed to see the impact of your efforts. Another feature worth mentioning is Salesflare's AI-powered insights. The software doesn't just track activities, it also helps you predict future outcomes based on past performance. This means you can get smart recommendations for improving your sales strategy, such as whether to focus on deals that are dragging or if certain activities are yielding better results than others. By utilizing Salesflare's activity tracking and reporting capabilities, you can start analyzing your team's performance with real-time data without the usual hassle of manually inputting information. This frees up more time to focus on what really matters, closing deals. Now, if you're a new user, you might be wondering about the cost. The great news is that you can try Salesflare completely free through the first link in the description below. Not only that, but we have an exclusive bonus for you that gives you an extended free trial, so you can experience all of Salesflare's powerful features without the pressure of signing up right away. Remember, tracking and reporting sales activity doesn't have to be a time-consuming task. With Salesflare, it's automatic, smart, and, most importantly, easy to use. So, give it a try today and start streamlining your sales process like never before. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below and get started on improving your sales tracking and reporting today.